This video shows you how to share bookmarks. In this example, we will make selections in the sheet, and then we will create a bookmark. Label it, and then click Create. To make it shareable, we have to publish the bookmark. Right-click on the bookmark and select Copy Link. This will generate a URL that you can share with users that have permission to access the app. You can share the link a few different ways, for example, using email or instant messaging. The link takes users to the app with the bookmark applied. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.